Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures and it's your daily midday market minute. What a day here to start the week off. We're heading into the close right now, and the S&P broke out above rare major four-star resistance, 4183, 4186, and it's testing our next level major three-star resistance, 4202, 4208. Now, it's slowing here into the last half an hour as it's digesting the gains we've seen here, not only today, but really the back half of last week. Heck of a move. And the NASDAQ, too, is hitting its respective resistance levels. But really what matters most here, as long as the S&P get a little bit of gyration here as it digests those gains, as long as it stays above 4186, green light is higher. We think we'll see 4240 this week, so keep an eye on all that. Now looking at crude oil, that thing is on fire. We've talked about it last week. We said we are going to buy this dip. We see a lot of support below this market, and what a rebound. We didn't expect it to happen this quickly, but we've been able to capitalize on positions we put on late last week. We're also still in September futures. We're going to give that a shot here to break out. But remember, though, the run-up, the seasonality run-up is Memorial Weekend, and people say, you know, it's a strong time of year. We've been even talking about ourselves, strong time of year, strong season, but it's that run-up into Memorial Weekend, and a lot of times you get a little bit of a near-term top after Memorial Weekend. So we will be looking to capitalize even more on our longs here before the end of the week. Keep that in mind. But our momentum indicator is really trailing this run here in crude oil. You have a major three-star resistance, 66, 66.5, 66.70. A lot of resistance up here. So stay in tune to this market. If it starts to pull back, a rising momentum indicator, 65. You don't want to see a move back below 65, and that number is going to be higher here heading into tomorrow. That would just signal that we're time to consolidate and again digest those gains. As for gold, it's consolidating. That is consolidating. We had a big run in gold last week, and it didn't break out above major three-star resistance, but it is consolidating very nicely here, building like a pennant like GDX. The miners are building a pennant here too. This is bullish, holding out above previous resistance, now strong support, digesting gains, building for the next move. It's going to be all about the dollar here. One thing that gold is really liking too is the treasuries. Treasuries are moving and grinding higher while the market goes higher, and that's going to be really good for gold here if the dollar remains weak. Look for gold to break out above 1900 this week. Give us a call. Our trade desk is here to help, 312-278-0500. Remember, though, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors.